Hi there, my name is AJ, and in this video, I'll be giving you a brief overview of your Jaguar's Pivi Pro infotainment system. Hop on in and take a look. One of my favorite things about the Pivi Pro system is how easy it is to get started. There's a brilliant setup wizard that helps get the ball rolling for you. Using the setup wizard, you can create your custom profile, connect your phone via Bluetooth, and sign into your InControl account to link your connected accounts. Once you're through with the setup wizard, we can take a look at the main screen to touch on some key points. The Pivi Pro system is loaded with simple, straightforward shortcuts that make the system feel fresh and intuitive. One of the very first things that I like to do during the personalization process is set the home destination in the nav system. To do this, simply press the shortcut located here. Input your address, and you've got yourself a quick and easy shortcut to get home. To search for a destination, simply input relevant search terms. These terms can be the name of a restaurant, the exact address of your destination, or even a postcode. Once you've found your desired destination, press go and you're off. Something that's really cool about the system is that if you have a frequently traveled route, the system will display that route for you on screen, but won't give you turn-by-turn directions. Instead, it will simply provide updates while it monitors your route to let you know if there is anything that could impact your typical travel. If you've gone through the setup wizard, it's likely that you've already got your phone's Bluetooth connection paired with your vehicle. But if you'll need to connect another device, here's how you do that. First, take a look at the home screen. If there's no phone currently connected, the phone tile will prompt you to connect. If there's already a device connected, you can add another connection and seamlessly switch between devices using the shortcut located here. To pair your device and vehicle via Bluetooth, simply tap on Add Device and check your device's Bluetooth settings to find the available pairing. Follow the vehicle's prompts, confirm the access codes, and get connected. The last remaining tile on the screen is the Media app. This has an awesome set of shortcuts that allows you to quickly switch between your sources, mute the audio entirely, and you can even view your list of favorites as well. This includes everything that you've saved between FM, Sirius XM, and AM radio. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are a couple of other fantastic ways to stay fully connected to your vehicle, creating a seamless and user-friendly interface. All new Jaguar vehicles with the smartphone pack are equipped with those connectivity features, but for some Android users, it might be necessary to download the Android Auto app on your device before using the feature. Here's a really cool tip that can save you a bunch of time. Your vehicle is capable of wireless software updates through 4G wireless connection or by connecting your home Wi-Fi system. Some of the available downloads can run in the background while you use your vehicle, but others might require you leave the vehicle turned off for some time. In that case, you can schedule your updates for a time that is most convenient for you. One of the lesser known but incredibly useful tips that I have for you is the gesture shortcuts. By swiping left from the far end of the home screen, you can access all of your configurable settings, like your audio adjustments and home settings, among others. By swiping right from the near end of the screen, you can get quick access to the entire suite of vehicle features and apps. Well, that just about wraps up our introduction to the Pivi Pro infotainment system. This video really just touches on the very basics of what the system is capable of, but it is a great place to start along your ownership journey. For more information, check out JaguarUSA.com, the iGuide app, or contact your local retailer with any more questions.